Here we have a 2018 Chevy Silverado. It's the 5.3, the LTZ package. We just did a nice custom dual exhaust system out the back. Some nice 5-inch black roll tips there, as you see. Got it all tucked in there nice and tight. Left the spare tire in there. Make sure that goes up and down. It's a true dual exhaust with a Flowmaster Super 10. Customer wants a real good rumble to it, so this will give it that nice rumble. Clean, deep, throaty tone without all that straight pipe sound. Of course, it's got all the factory catalytic converters in there, but we got it hung in there nice and clean, as we always do. Should give it a good tone. Wake it up, give it a good rumble. Let's see what it sounds like. There we go. Oh yeah. That did the trick. Pump it out a little water, it's all new system. That'll straighten itself out. Well, it's nice and clean and loud without all that clap like you have with a straight pipe, so no pun intended, doesn't have the clap.